Yeah, another day again. Morning, my friends on YouTube. Yeah. Why? So we love the sea. We're upon the sea every day, you know. So, seafood man, what kind of fish are you doing today?
Kingfish.
Kingfish again?
Yeah.
So we name the Kingfish Killers?
Yes, man.
Oh. Yeah, well, yesterday we do well yesterday, you know. We catch a big kingfish and some jacks, so we decided to come out today again. So we're heading out now. We set up the rods and everything. Still using the same bait.
Yeah.
I am using a different one still, but it's still the same killer eagle claw bait. Yeah, so we're just leaving out here with dock. So we're heading out now. It's a nice day, you know. They say we're going to have some rain later, but we're going to try and beat it. We're going to try to see what we can catch and beat the rain, come back in. Alright. Kind of foggy still, you know. Look there. Yeah, look there. Yeah. We can't press out too hard because we have some things in the water here, some stump and things that the river wash out. So we don't want to damage the engine, the propeller, so we have to take time. Alright, when we reach out and the action starts, then you'll see what happens. Alright, so come back. A nice size tarpon, man. Yeah. Look, I see him there. Oh, it's a big tarpon, that man. Talking about a little tarpon.
It was a little tarpon.
Ah, yeah, I see him there. Yeah, man, nice tarpon. So Mr. Seafood man fighting this tarpon here. It's not really a small tarpon no. From far out him look small, but a good sized tarpon.
It's a real now, it's a real. It's a real. Big man. Size. Good size tarpon one.
Yeah. Yeah, see him there. Big man. I'm not tired yet.
No, sir. I need him. That's not on in the boat. Camera against the side of the boat. Out. Yeah, hold him up.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna fight a tarpon and I'm gonna muscle up on him, watch it. Yeah, see him there. Yeah, I'm gonna tail up on here. Yeah. So this man don't catch kingfish and jack, he might catch tarpon too.
Snook.
Oh, snook, but we don't reach the snook part yet.
So we'll leave the snook.
Like I have to go stop this and help him, yeah. Big man. I see him. Yeah. Yeah, nice tarpon. See him there. Nice, good. So if we take out that bait out of mouth and release him, how you gonna do that now? Alright, let me stop this before I help you. Alright. So come back. Pass, what kind of fish that man?
Well, I'm taking hard a while ago.
Take it hard.
Yeah, hard.
Why, him run off like a king a while ago, you know.
But him now run wide, you know, like it was the one piece.
Oh.
So I wonder.
Well, he look like a king. We don't know yet still, you know. The man just pick up.
Yeah, you know, Jack, when Jack pick up, you know, they
run
wide and all over the place, but it's the one place.
The one place, yeah. Alright, when we come up, we'll see what's going on, you know. If it's a kingfish or a jack or whatever it be. Because so from there, there's some big kingfisher bite out here, so you know. So them run off like a jack. Engine like that run too high now, Kevin. Yeah, see some height. How come easy though? A jack, oh. Oh, it's a jacko. A jacko. A jacko that. The carburetor or the go and tune up or something, or the plug them want to change. That's hurry up with Jacko.
Stubborn. Jacko don't want to come. Jacko, come on, Jacko. Come, Jacko. Come. I'm going to turn the boat in.
I couldn't need an engine then. Come a pulley. Yeah, so the seafood man hook up, you know. Yeah, man. Always a hook up. My rod must have salt or something because I just get a wicked run a while ago and it just pull out my mouth. And then I hook a tarpon again and then shake out. Maybe me must just stick to the video still, you know. The camera. I couldn't show you this one at all, you know. The seafood man hook him up so fast. A small one though. It's a nice kingfish though, you know. Kingfish killer already. Seafood man, alright. We soon get into the action. A new bait. Again, a new one. The man just put on again and watch it. Why, the man a bad, you know. Anyway. To me, no, can't put it in. Good. Alright. So come back. This is a big jack again, you know, man. Yeah, man, seafood man again. Alright, I tell you, we're touring down the harbour here, but I tell us we pick up 2 big jack a while ago. I'll know me a breed short there, the jack give me a good fight. Alright, hold on, let me show you. See him there? Boy, him give me a good fight, boy. I couldn't even start the video yet, but... See it?
Big.
Yeah, some big jack. So we're fighting him on a small reel here, you know. It's more like a casting reel. This line we have there is 17-pound line and a small reel and a 7-foot rod. A medium heavy rod. This is more like a shoreline rod. It just casts, you know, for snook or small jacks, but we say we're going to try something out here, you know. So this is a 17-pound line and a small reel. Showing you guys that we can use small things, small reel and kill these big jacks, you know. Alright, see him there? Alright, nice size. Yeah, see him there? Yeah, man, so. Yeah. Yeah, big still. Yeah, look, yeah, man. Nice. Well, big.
Like about 12 car size.
Yeah, so the reel, you see that? Somebody was saying to me, what kind of reel is the best reel for inshore fishing and stuff like that. Well, you can use a small rod like this, 7 feet rod. That one is a Black Beauty rod. I don't see them on the market again. Yeah, so yeah, so there's another big jack again. See there? Yeah, good. All right, that's it.